Let's go to my computer screen and super quickly I'm going to show you what are the difference with the standard version and what are some of the extra tools you're getting in the Premium Pro version of the WP Buckets. You've possibly heard or even thought about turning buckets into websites. Well, WP Buckets Premium Pro takes that process to the next level. So you can basically just create a bucket, and we've got integration here with one simple switch. I can go click, make this bucket into a website, and now this bucket is a public website. We've got our URL up the top here, and we can basically drag and drop any static website here, HTML, CSS, images, and it'll basically turn that structure into a website. So for instance, if you've purchased resale rights to a particular product and you've just got them sitting on your hard drive, you can drag that website template here to your ORS bucket and convert it into a website. You can also hook this up to your own domain name. I've also included an exclusive Premium Pro training session where we walk through the process of setting up free SSL certificates with Amazon. In the example I walk you through, I'm actually using Namecheap, and I've seen other courses and programs out there that don't actually do it right. You don't need to have your domain with Amazon, and you don't even need Route 53 with Amazon. None of that stuff. There's a super easy process way of doing it, and you also get that included with the Premium Pro. Included with your Premium Pro version of WP Buckets, you also get a built-in editor. So if you want to make any changes to files on your website, you don't even have to download or upload them or go into some type of file management system. Everything is available here. We can just open this up, expand it, and we can make any edits here in this particular file. Go ahead and save changes, and now that's been updated on your website. So super easy to do it, built into your file manager. If we look at the CSS here, and we've got a CSS style, you can see we've got an inbuilt code editor to support CSS as well, which is really nice on the eyes. If we jump into the JS directly, I've got a JavaScript code here. You can see we've also got support for JavaScript files that you can edit here visually and have a really nice experience. One of my favorite tools in the WP Buckets Premium Pro version is the website image optimizer compressor. So I'm in the images folder here. I've got an image here, Skywalk. If I just take a look at the size, this is 225 kilobits, quite large for a quick load on the web. And here we can see the image. It's a beautiful image of the Skywalk here in Switzerland. And we've got an option down here to compress this image so that it's optimized for the web. So here we've got original size, compression size, and percentage of improvement. I simply slide this along, and it's giving me a real-time preview of what that's going to look like. And the visual quality still looks fine. And we've gone from 225 kilobytes down to 99.7 kilobytes. So we can keep going. It's kind of giving me an orange warning. You're compressing it a lot now. If you went all the way across, it would show a very pixelated result. And this improvement is red, not recommended. So let's stay in the green zone here, and we can get a 55% improvement in compression. And it still looks great. We've also got some advanced options down the bottom. So if we think, hey, this image is a little bit bigger than it needs to be for what I need, we can enter, for instance, a max width. So you could come in here and put something like 500. And now we've got a 91% improvement from 225 kilobytes down to 18 kilobytes compression. And it's all done here in your file manager. You've also got advanced resize options. So if you want to change the shape of it, turn it into a banner, you can do all of those different options here. Now to save this, we just go ahead and click save, and it'll basically update that image on the Amazon S3 bucket. And now you can see the file size is down to 18.8 kilobytes. Everything you need to quickly build and manage your S3 bucket website is included here. If you want to change the home page, it's as easy as one click. So now Contact Us would become the home page. Selecting this option, and now we've got the index page back. We've also got one-click error page. So if you've got a 404 or page not found page, you can come here and set that up. Now let's depart these awesome website features, because the WP Buckets Premium Pro has some other cool tools as well. So if I jump into the videos folder here, I've got some videos ready to go, and with the Premium Pro version we can expand this, preview the video here, but we've got some video tools. So from here I can choose how I want to embed this video on my website. I've got some options there. I don't want people to download the video. I'm going to have the controls, and this is going to be my setting. We've got some other advanced options there, and I basically click to copy the code. I can pop this video on my WordPress page or post or possibly even another website. And to demo this, I'm going to go to the WordPress page editor, and I'm just going to paste in that snippet from here. Let's choose update to save changes. We'll go to the front end here. I've got an S3 bucket embed test page. I'm going to refresh the page, and there's my video ready to go with all those settings. So super easy, and this is streaming directly from my S3 bucket, so it's not putting any load on my website. Back inside our WP buckets, if I exit this section here and let's go into the audios folder, we've got the same tools for an MP3 file. So here I've got an audio, and we've got our audio tools here as well. A little bit different tools for the audios, but we've got also the embed code option here. Just click the copy and you can pop that audio on your website. No coding, no wasting time figuring stuff out. You've got your switches here. Let's go back to the editor here. I'm going to replace the video code here with my MP3 audio code. Update to save changes. Let's refresh the front end, and now we've got an audio here playing on the front end. So there we go, a quick look at the WP Buckets Premium Pro, and whether you want to have this for the website features or you want to have super easy access to embed different files like audios and videos onto your own website, then all of those extra tools are bundled up together there in the